friends! Today I'll show you 15 foods that never expire. Copy these tips to save food like we do. Store honey in glass jars. It never expires, stays sweet forever, and is perfect for your pantry. White rice lasts forever if kept dry and sealed. A simple Amish trick to always have food ready. Dried beans never go bad if stored airtight. They're full of protein and last for generations. Pure salt never expires. It's the easiest food to store and the best for preserving other foods. White sugar never goes bad. Keep it dry and sealed, and it will last forever in your kitchen. Vinegar never expires. Amish use it for food, cleaning, and health, a must for every household. Pure maple syrup lasts forever if sealed. It's sweet, natural, and perfect for storing long-term. Soy sauce can last for decades when sealed. Its salt keeps it safe and tasty for cooking anytime. Corn syrup never spoils. Keep it sealed and cool, and it's good for baking for many years. Pure ghee lasts for decades without spoiling. Amish love it as butter that never expires. Distilled liquor never expires. Amish don't drink, but it's useful for cooking and cleaning. Dried pasta lasts forever if sealed dry. Keep it in jars, and it's always ready for a quick meal. Pure cocoa powder never expires. Store it airtight, and it stays rich for baking anytime. Whole dried corn never expires. Keep it cool and sealed, and you can grind it fresh anytime you need. Store food cool, dry, and sealed. That's how Amish pantries last decades. Try these tips to protect your family. Thanks for watching. If you like this style of videos, let us know in the comments. See you in the next video.